Hi, Evan.
Hey Zoe, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing great. What are we talking about today?
Today, we're talking about homes.
Oh, nice. I like that topic.
Yes, everyone has a home, right?
Of course. So, where do you live, Zoe?
I live in a small apartment in the city.
Really? How big is it?
It's not very big. It has one bedroom, one bathroom, a kitchen, and a small living room.
That sounds cozy.
Yes, it's small but comfortable.
Do you live alone?
Yes, I live alone. How about you, Evan?
I live with my family in a house.
Oh, nice. How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people, my parents, my sister, and me.
That's great. So, tell me about your house.
My house is medium-sized. It has 2 floors.
2 floors. That's cool.
Yeah. On the first floor, we have the living room, the kitchen, and a bathroom.
And what about the second floor?
On the second floor, there are 3 bedrooms and another bathroom.
Wow, that's a nice house.
Thanks. I like it a lot.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, we do.
It's a picture of a beach. Blue water, white sand, and palm trees.
Oh, that must feel relaxing.
Yes, it makes me feel calm when I come home after work.
Do you have a balcony?
Yes, a small one. I keep a few plants there.
That's nice. Green plants make any home fresh and happy.
True. Do you have any pets in your house?
Yes, we have a dog named Lucky.
Oh, I love dogs. What breed is he?
He's a golden retriever.
Cute. Does he stay inside the house?
Mostly outside, but sometimes he sleeps inside when it's cold.
That's adorable. I want a cat someday.
Cats are great too. They love cozy homes.
Yes, I think a cat would like my apartment.
Definitely.
So, Evan, what's your favorite room in your house?
My favorite room is my bedroom
Why?
because it's my own space. I can relax, read, or play games there.
That's nice. I think my favorite place is my living room,
Why the living room?
because that's where I watch TV and drink coffee.
Sounds relaxing.
Yeah, I have a soft gray sofa, a small coffee table, and a TV stand.
Do you have many decorations?
Not many, just a few plants, pictures, and a lamp.
Simple but nice.
Yes, I like clean and simple spaces.
Me too. A tidy home feels peaceful.
Totally agree.
So, Zoe, how long have you lived in your apartment?
I've lived there for about 3 years.
Oh, that's a long time. Do you like it there?
Yes, I do. It's close to my office and to the supermarket.
That's very convenient.
Yes, I can walk everywhere.
That's nice. I live farther from the city, so I need to drive.
Do you like living outside the city?
Yes, it's quiet and peaceful. There are trees and open spaces.
That sounds lovely. I sometimes miss nature.
Yeah, the air is fresh and the neighbors are friendly.
Do you have many neighbors?
Not too many. Our houses are not very close to each other.
Oh, that's nice. You get privacy.
Exactly. What about your apartment building?
It's tall with 10 floors.
Wow. Which floor do you live on?
The 5th floor. I take the elevator every day.
Do you have a nice view from your window?
Yes, I can see the city lights at night. It's beautiful.
That sounds amazing.
I love sitting by the window and drinking tea.
That's such a peaceful image.
Yeah. So, Evan, do you have a study room in your house?
Yes, we do. My sister and I study there.
What's in the study room?
There are 2 desks, some bookshelves, and a computer.
Very nice. I work from home sometimes, so I made a small work corner.
Oh, what's in your work corner?
A desk, a chair, my laptop, and a small lamp.
Simple but useful.
Yes, I also keep a plant on my desk.
Plants make work areas more pleasant.
Totally. They help me feel less stressed.
Do you clean your home often?
I try to clean every weekend.
Good habit. I clean my room every few days.
Nice! A clean home is a happy home.
True. My mom always says that.
So, Evan, if you could design your dream home, what would it look like?
Good question. I think I'd like a big house near the beach.
Oh, wow. A beach house sounds perfect.
Yeah, I'd have big windows and a balcony with sea view.
That sounds beautiful.
I'd also like a swimming pool and a garden full of palm trees.
That's like a vacation home.
Exactly. What about you, Zoe?
I think I'd like a small house in the countryside.
Oh, really?
Yes, somewhere quiet, with a big yard and flowers everywhere.
That sounds peaceful.
I'd love to have a big kitchen too, because I enjoy cooking.
That's great. What kind of kitchen do you imagine?
A bright one, with a big window and white cabinets.
Nice. And maybe a wooden dining table?
Yes, you know me well.
Haha, yes. I think your dream home sounds very warm and cozy.
Thank you. I hope someday I can make it real.
You will.
What's your favorite thing about your home now?
I think it's the people, my family. They make the house feel alive.
That's sweet, Evan. Home is not only a place, it's also about the people.
Exactly. Even a small house feels big with love.
So true.
What about you? What do you love most about your home?
The quiet evenings. When I turn on my soft lights and play calm music, it feels peaceful.
That sounds perfect after a long day.
Yes, it's my little world.
You know, homes show who we are.
You're right. The things we choose, colors, furniture, pictures, show our personality.
So, what does your home say about you?
I think it says I'm simple and peaceful.
And creative, too.
Thank you. What about your home?
I think it says my family likes warmth and togetherness.
That's beautiful, Evan.
Thanks, Zoe. This talk makes me appreciate my home more.
Me too. Talking about home always brings warm feelings.
Yeah, home is where the heart is.
Absolutely.
Zoe, how often do you clean your apartment?
I clean a little every day, and I do a big clean every weekend.
Wow, that's great. What do you clean first?
I usually start with the kitchen. I wash the dishes, wipe the table, and clean the floor.
Nice. I always start with my bedroom. I make the bed, fold my clothes, and dust the shelves.
That's good. I love when my bed is clean and soft.
Me too. A tidy room makes me feel calm.
Yes, cleaning is also like exercise.
True. Sometimes I play music while I clean. It makes it fun.
I do that too. I dance with the broom.
That sounds funny.
What about home decorations? Do you decorate your room?
A little. I have some posters on the wall and small lights.
Oh, I love lights. They make a room cozy.
Yes, especially at night. I also have a plant on my desk.
Plants make every room look alive.
What's your favorite decoration in your apartment?
My favorite is a soft rug in my living room. It's white and fluffy.
That sounds comfortable.
Yes, I sit there to read or drink tea.
Do you like changing decorations?
Sometimes I move furniture or add new pictures.
That's fun. It feels like a new home every time.
Yes, and it helps me feel fresh and happy.
Great tip, Zoe. Maybe I'll try that.
You should. A happy home starts with small changes.
I agree. Let's both make our homes beautiful and bright.
So, friends, what about you? How would you describe your home?
What do you love most about it?
Tell us in the comments below.
If you liked this video, please leave a comment. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Practice English Lab for more lessons.